The NYTD Review, Stakeholder Interviews.
United, together we can spread the word.
NYTD Stakeholder Interviews. The case record reviews allow us to examine a state's NYTD data up close by looking at how the state worked with an individual youth. But we also need to learn about how NYTD data has been collected and used by other individuals who assist youth in making a transition to adulthood. To learn about the state's NYTD efforts from a variety of perspectives, federal team members conduct interviews with stakeholders like caseworkers, foster parents, judges and other court staff, and youth leaders and young people who have participated in the state's independent living program. The interviews allow us to learn more about the state's capacity to collect accurate data and document the state's readiness to use NYTD data for program management and evaluation. Generally, the federal team works in small teams to conduct these interviews, usually lasting 45 minutes each. Stakeholders usually participate in interviews in small groups of 2 to 3 people. One exception would be that of a slightly larger focus group of 7 to 10 for young people from the state. Typically, there is no prior preparation required for the stakeholders. However, the federal team will share a data snapshot with stakeholders in advance to help them understand the services youth receive and the outcomes youth experience in their state. The federal team will use an interview guide and the state's data snapshot to assist in facilitating discussion with stakeholders. Federal teams may designate a team member to ask questions and another team member to take notes. While the Children's Bureau will include information gathered in interviews in the final report, stakeholders will not be named in the report in order to protect confidentiality. Together with case record reviews, the stakeholder interviewers help the federal review team understand how key players collect and use NYTD data to improve outcomes for young people. Together with case record reviews, the survey methodology review, and the system demonstration, stakeholder interviews help the federal review team understand how and how well the state collects and uses NYTD data to improve outcomes for young people.NYTD Wrap, written by foster care alumni Kim Rose and Janae Swain, along with help from the state of California, California Department of Social Services, CDSS. Performed by Janae and Kim, the West Coast Flow. For more information, visit https://www.fosterclub.com/article/u-NYTD-wrap. This video was developed in partnership with the Administration for Children and Families, the Children's Bureau, an office of the Administration for Children and Families, and the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. The end.